Volcano lightning, often referred to as dirty thunderstorms, occurs during volcanic eruptions when lightning forms within ash clouds. This phenomenon is the result of static electricity generated by the collision of rock fragments, ash, and ice particles within the volcanic plume. As these particles rub against each other, they create electrical charges, which eventually discharge as lightning. The dramatic visual of volcanic lightning against a backdrop of erupting lava and ash is both awe-inspiring and hazardous. This rare type of lightning contributes to the unique and powerful displays associated with volcanic eruptions, demonstrating nature's raw power and complexity. For more fascinating insights into the natural world, like, share, and follow for updates on intriguing phenomena and extraordinary facts.